Did you know that some of the most powerful medicines in the world are growing in gardens, on windowsills, or even in sidewalk cracks? It's true. The secret to better sleep, digestion, immunity, and stress relief might just be a leaf away. Let's take a look inside nature's pharmacy. Welcome to the channel where we explore the healing power of plants. If you're new to gardening or just curious about using natural remedies, you're in the right place. Today's video is all about medicinal plant remedies, what they are, how they work, and 5 beginner-friendly plants you can grow and use at home. No complicated science, no expensive gear, just simple natural medicine straight from the earth. All right, let's dive into 5 powerful medicinal plants that are easy to grow and even easier to use. 1. Aloe vera, the first aid plant. If you've ever had a sunburn, you've probably met this plant before. The gel inside aloe vera leaves is loaded with vitamins, enzymes, and antioxidants. It's fantastic for soothing burns, healing cuts, reducing acne, and moisturizing dry skin. How to use it. Cut a leaf, scoop out the gel, and apply it directly to your skin. That's it. No fancy prep needed. 2. Chamomile, nature's sleepy time tea. Chamomile isn't just for bedtime, though it's great for that. It's a gentle herb that helps with anxiety, cramps, digestion, and inflammation, perfect for winding down after a stressful day. How to use it. Dry the flowers and steep them in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink as a tea, sweet dreams guaranteed. 3. Peppermint, the tummy tamer. Fresh, minty, and a powerhouse for your digestive system. Peppermint helps relieve nausea, bloating, gas, and headaches. It even improves alertness. How to use it. Steep the leaves in hot water for tea, or crush them and inhale the aroma for an instant pick-me-up. Bonus tip, peppermint grows like crazy, even indoors. 4. Lavender, the calm in chaos. This beautiful purple plant is more than just eye candy. Lavender reduces stress, promotes sleep, and even helps with headaches and skin irritation. How to use it. Use dried buds in sachets, teas, or baths. Or make your own lavender oil by infusing the flowers in a carrier oil like olive or almond. Even just smelling lavender can trigger a relaxation response in your brain. Calendula, the skin soother. Calendula, or pot marigold, has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. It's amazing for cuts, scrapes, rashes, and even eczema. How to use it. Dry the petals and steep in oil for a few weeks to create a healing salve. Apply it directly to irritated skin, gentle enough for kids too. And the best part? All 5 of these plants are easy to grow, even if you've never planted a thing before. A little sun, some water, and a bit of patience, and you've got your own backyard pharmacy. So, are you ready to turn your garden into a healing space? These medicinal plants aren't just good for your health, they're a reminder that nature is powerful, accessible, and always there for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe for more beginner-friendly videos on natural health and gardening. Got a favorite herbal remedy? Or a plant you want us to cover next? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check the video description and click the affiliate link if you would like to check out the Medicinal Garden Kit. It comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for watching, and remember, healing can be as simple as planting a seed.